Why would you need a birth certificate or a death certificate, and how do you go about getting them? Well, here to help us out is Kathryn Tussing, registrar for the Allen County Public Health Department. So welcome, Kathryn.
Hello.
All right.
How are you?
So people need these for different reasons, of course. Is it easy to get?
Oh, yes. It's easier than what people think, you know.
Really?
Because you need them for to enroll your children in school, or a lot of people here nowadays are getting for like passports and stuff like that too. So yeah.
Okay, so can you get like a birth or death certificate? Who can get it? Like, do you have to be a certain age or?
Anybody in the state of Ohio can come in and get a birth certificate.
So there's no age limit or anything?
No.
Very interesting. And so does it cost, I'm guessing it costs some sort of money to do that?
Yes. Ours here in Lima, Allen County are $27. We have forms on our counter. It's very easy. It basically asks the name of the person that you want the birth certificate for, their date of birth, their parents' names, and yeah, it doesn't have, you don't need to know their social or anything like that, and then you'll sign, and then we'll print it up for you.
So if someone is coming in to get a birth or a death certificate, do they need some sort of ID? Because I would think that you just couldn't go in and just, or maybe you can.
The state of Ohio does not require to show ID. Sometimes we will ask, you know, but no, that is not a requirement for the state of Ohio.
So
and a lot of people
just go in there and just,
if you know their information, yes.
That's very interesting. All right, so if let's say you wanted to, like someone had passed away in the family, you know, so you need a death certificate for various reasons, maybe bank accounts or whatever. How long does it take to get something like that?
Well, there's a little bit more process on that because like the person passes away and then the funeral home, they usually get that information and everything from the doctor. So basically, you're waiting on the doctor to sign that death certificate before it comes to us, and then we get it filed, and then the person or the family can purchase death certificates. So.
Right. I noticed you said certificates.
Or a certificate.
Yeah, but you can order or purchase more than one, correct?
Yes.
Because sometimes more than one is needed.
Right, correct, because they might need it for life insurance or, you know, banks, different things. But I would ask, because a lot of people are like, how many should I get? You know, that's up to you, like what your family situation is like. But a lot of places like your gas companies, phone company, you could ask them, and some of them will take a copy of it so that you don't have to spend the money to buy a certified
because it adds
copy.
up.
Correct.
Yeah. Now let's talk about birth certificates, because let's say, for an example, let's see if we can figure this one out. So if you have a birth certificate, but let's say there's not a father's name, let's say on the birth certificate. So that's probably something that happens.
Oh, yes.
So
More
often?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So they cannot, the rule is we would ask, is either one married, you know, and if not, they can come in and put it on, do a paternity affidavit that lists the father and everything, and then we'll send it to state, and then it'll get it on. But if you are married and you have a baby with someone else, I don't care if that's not the father or not, we cannot put that, the state of Ohio does not see that in the eyes that that child is his, because they expect you to still be, you know, married to your significant other, but no.
Okay. So also, you know, something that also comes across your desk, I'm sure, maybe more often than not, is name changes. So is it easy to change a name or hard?
For name changes, for legal name changes, usually you have to go to probate court.
Okay.
For that.
All right.
But yeah, we can't, then they have to bring us the paperwork, and then we'll send it in and everything. Now, sometimes there's misspellings. Now, we can do like an affidavit or something just to do like a misspelling. But as far as a total name change or like a last name or put another middle name, you have to go to probate court.
All right, so Kathryn, I want to thank you for coming on today, giving us all the information, because there is a lot of information to know and before you go and just kind of request, you know? So I appreciate you coming on today.
All right, thank you.
All right, well, don't go away, because medical news is coming up next.